This video teaches you how to use the new Microsoft Excel functions to column and to row. The two functions are found under the lookup and reference functions where they are they're introduced as array functions. So to column, that is TOCOL, returns the array as one column, while to row returns the array as one row. If you're familiar with the transpose function, if you wanted to transpose, say, this month and amount to rows, you'd use the transpose function, because to transpose, then select the arrays that you want. Select the two columns, then press enter. That way, it transposes the columns to rows. Only that you have to format this back as month by right-clicking, go to format cells, go to date, then select the short month so that you get the original format. Now the two column and two rows will only involve one array. So for this case, we'll type is equals to to row like that. Select one array. Now the to row is like that. Then you select the array that you want to transpose as row and press enter. Again, you have to format this, then come here, then format cells, select date, then select the short month. And the same way also for the amount is equals to row, then select the amount and control shift and then enter to fetch the rows. Now the to column works the same way, is equals to column, then select the array that you want to convert to column like that, press enter, and it gives you like that. Now the original transposing using the copy paste method, where you select like this, copy, then right click, then paste, either using this or you can use paste special so that you can paste your values from columns to rows. Thanks for watching. My name is David Kabir.